Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about dark matter. We're going to be talking about what is dark matter. That's actually it. What is dark matter? Okay? So, when we think of matter, we think of solid, liquid, and gas, like the air around, or maybe this pen, for example, as a solid and liquid as water, right? And these are, and other, like plasma and other stuff, are matter, right? And these are normal matters, and matter is made up of atoms, which are the building blocks of everything in the entire universe to infinity and beyond, right? But you'd be surprised to know that matter only takes up, like normal matter only takes up 5% of the entire universe, okay? 27% of it goes to something called dark matter, and 68% of it goes to something called dark energy. Today we're going to be talking about dark matter. So, but most of these two, dark energy and dark matter, is invisible. How? Well, how we see things is that when light bounces off of it, like right now, light is bouncing off of this pen, or not this pen, this marker, and is going into my eyes, and now going to the camera, into your eyes, right? And to the viewers. So this is how we see things. But dark matter must be made out of some type of particles that makes it invisible, so that way light does not allow it to see through. It's basically, you cannot see through it. It cannot reflect any light, okay? So that's why it's somehow invisible. But how do we know it even exists if it's invisible, and if we didn't even know exactly about it? How do we know it exists? Well, there's one answer: gravity. How? So let me take you back to 1933. Meet Fritz Zwicky, okay? He is an astronomer, okay? And one day he was just looking in his telescope, okay, and looking out into the looking at galaxies on how they move, and how much matter each galaxy has. So after he did some calculations for it, he was shocked to know that all the mass was not, basically there was too less normal mass than to account for how the gravitational force and that. So if you think about it, right, here we have all these planets and this normal matter, right? But the thing is, they're far apart, okay? So they should be floating into space, and even too, the gravitational force cannot pull them to stay in this one position. They should fall away. They should float away into the distance. But they're somehow still sticking together, right? This baffled the scientist community, okay? So they must have thought that there must be something invisible in between this, okay, that has gravity that pulls it in. Dark matter. That's what they call this thing, dark matter, okay? Now, in order to know its presence and where it is, you can attempt to look for high amounts of dark matter, because when you shine a light at it, or put light at it, okay, it'll just bend away. But that's actually, but since dark matter is very, well, mysterious, we don't know much about it, okay? So that's up to you or any future scientists or whatever to uncover more on dark matter. And that's basically what dark matter is and how much we know about it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!